Hi, this is Premal, Parikh, and Aaditya. We are both from Accorian. We're a global cybersecurity firm, helping our clients think through strategy, compliance, and security testing.
So, what is the global vision of your venture, and how do you aim to become a global brand?
So we've had a significant presence in North America for the last couple of years. As markets in EU, Australia, and the Middle East become a lot more security regulated, we look forward to our expansion in these countries and take our unique offerings to various segments and industry sizes.
So, how does DGEMS align with your business goal and global vision?
I think Forbes India DGEMs will allow us to talk to different people that are similar in nature, all trying to go global, but in different industries, right? So learn from each other, understand how each other works, and figure out how together we can get better at all of that.
So, how do you aim to benefit from Select to 200 community and DGEMS ecosystem?
So from the ecosystem, we're looking forward to learning from each other. Like your founder said, a lot of it is to reduce the gestation period of how do you go to a new market. So we want to share some of our learnings and also learn from the learnings of other entrepreneurs in this ecosystem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.